Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy tech reviews, hit that subscribe button. Today we're diving into the Lenovo 300 USB keyboard, model GX30M39655 in classic black. This is a straightforward, no-fuss wired keyboard designed for reliability. It features an intuitive island key design with a full 2.5 zone layout, meaning you get that essential separate number pad for productivity. The keycaps are slightly concaved, designed to cradle your fingertips for a comfortable typing experience. Speaking of comfort, the ergonomic design includes an adjustable tilt feature so you can set the perfect angle for long sessions. A key highlight for office or shared space use is that the keys are spill-resistant, complete with a board drain to protect your investment from minor accidents. Setup is dead simple. It's OS independent and works with any computer or laptop that has a USB port. Just plug and play. It's compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, offering a dependable connection via its USB cable. Measuring about 16.6 by 5.7 inches, it's a standard full-size keyboard that balances functionality with a solid, productive feel. If you need a reliable, comfortable, plug-and-play keyboard without all the bells and whistles, the Lenovo 300 is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.